Viewers, welcome back. The breaking news is in. Congress has declared its candidates for Amethi and Rai Bareli. And the big news is Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from Rai Bareli, not Amethi. Rahul Gandhi will be contesting from the seat that his mother has just left, the Rai Bareli seat. And meanwhile, from Amethi, the Congress is fielding Kishori Lal Sharma, KL Sharma. So the Congress has made a swap. Priyanka Vadra is not contesting these elections. Instead, Rahul Gandhi is shifting to Rai Bareli, and Akansha joins us to tell us more. Akansha, over to you. What is the Congress announcement?
Well, absolutely. Now the speculations are over. Rahul Gandhi will be fighting from Rai Bareli, the seat that his mother Sonia Gandhi vacated and shifted to Rajya Sabha. The seat from where he lost, that is Amethi. The candidate from there will be KL Sharma. And also, as you also pointed out, Priyanka Gandhi will not be fighting from either of these seats, which were considered to be the bastion of the Gandhi family. I'm currently outside the residence from where Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will leave in some time. And what we're getting to know through our sources is that Rahul Gandhi will be traveling to Rai Bareli and will be filing his nomination. Remember, the nomination will end at 3 o'clock. So before that, he has to file the nomination. Right. He, along with Priyanka Gandhi and senior leaders of the Congress party, will now be leaving from this residence and will be going to Rai Bareli. But speculations are now, there's clarity now. Rahul Gandhi from Rai Bareli, KL Sharma from Amethi, and Priyanka Gandhi will not be fighting from these Lok Sabha seats.
All right, now stay where you are, because we also have Amita joining us right now. Amita, I believe you have the Congress announcement page with you. Let's go through that.
Absolutely, Ankit, because we have waited almost all night long for this announcement to be made official by the Congress party. Here is the list. First, playing out right here on Times Now, the Lok Sabha elections 2024. Uttar Pradesh, the following two candidates have been selected by the Central Election Committee of the party for ensuing elections to the Lok Sabha from Uttar Pradesh. First name, Rai Bareli, Shri Rahul Gandhi. From Amethi, Shri Kishori Lal Sharma. Of course, as far as KL Sharma's
we have
yes.
Amita.
Yes.
Amita, we have Anshu Avasthi of the Congress also joining us. Thank you for reading that for us, Mr. Anshu Avasthi. So Rahul Gandhi has run away from the Amethi contest and he's going to Rai Bareli. Is that how we are supposed to read this?
राय बरेली अमेठी का गांधी परिवार से एक पारिवारिक रिश्ता है और राय बरेली जहां से कांग्रेस हमेशा फिरोज गांधी जी लड़ते थे, श्रीमती इंदिरा गांधी लड़ी, सोनिया गांधी जी लड़ी, तो रायबरेली से राहुल गांधी जी लड़ रहे हैं और रायबरेली अमेठी दोनों जगह कांग्रेस परिवार का एक आत्मीय रिश्ता है। और ऐसा नहीं है कि अमेठी से राहुल गांधी जी चुनाव नहीं लड़ रहे हैं तो उनके वहां से रिश्ते खत्म। देखिए, बीजेपी वोट की पॉलिटिक्स करती है, लेकिन अमेठी और रायबरेली को आप सिर्फ गांधी परिवार और कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए वोट तक सीमित नहीं रख सकते। अगर पिछली बार चुनाव राहुल गांधी जी वहां से नहीं जीते, उसके बाद भी कोरोना हो, कोई भी जरूरत पड़ी हो, उन्होंने हमेशा अमेठी के लोगों को अपना समझाया। आज भी
तो अंशु अवस्थी जी, आपको लगता है कि कांग्रेस के वर्कर्स खुश होंगे ये सुन के कि वो अमेठी नहीं राय बरेली से लड़ रहे हैं? वो कांग्रेस वर्कर्स ये न्यूज को कैसे रिसीव करेंगे?
पूरी तरीके से खुश हैं। और ये सिर्फ अमेठी और रायबरेली की बात नहीं, उत्तर प्रदेश के वर्कर खुश हैं, देश के वर्कर खुश हैं, क्योंकि गांधी परिवार एक अमेठी रायबरेली से कनेक्शन है, तो उन्होंने वहां से निर्णय लिया है। हम उसका स्वागत करते हैं और आप देखिएगा एक बेरिकॉर्ड, मतलब रिकॉर्ड के उस पार जाकर जीत होगी। पूरे हिंदुस्तान की सबसे बड़ी जीत रायबरेली की।